Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for this Cool Gel memory foam pillow. I have wanted one of these for so long. I don't know what it is about cold pillows, but if there's a cold pillow, I can fall asleep so quickly. And I am a long time sufferer of allergy problems and sinus infections. You might even be able to hear it in my voice. Currently, I have a sinus infection going on. So when I have that, a lot of times I just feel warm. My face feels warm. And I always explain that to my mom, and she never understands it. But I will wake up in the middle of the night and keep flipping back and forth my pillow to find like the cool spot on it, because that's what makes me feel comfortable and helps me sleep. So I got one of these in the mail. It's kind of hard to fit it on camera, but the box is rather small. Let's go ahead and open it for you. Show you what it looks like. I'm going to use it for a while and then tell you my thoughts about it. It even came with a Comfort Relax Sleep Mask. That's cute. So the sleep mask comes in this little bag. It's adjustable, so that's a little freebie that comes with it. They packaged this really well. Ugh, it's nice and thick. So it's white on one side. Flip it over and you can see the gel. Oh, I know I'm going to love this. I could already tell. I'm going to let that kind of expand and settle for a moment. Let's see what this is. Comfort and Relax Memory Foam Pillow. I'd love to hear from you. In case you experience an odor, which is a fresh foam odor, it's not harmful. I do smell a little something, but yeah, it just smells like foam. It's not very strong. It should dissipate within 48 hours when the foam is unpacked and aired out. So you can unzip it, take a look at the inside. There's a memory foam, and then it has this blue gel on top of it. It looks and feels just like one of those gel eye masks. So excited for this. I'm going to go ahead and let it air out like it said to do on the card, use it for a while, and then I will be back to give you my thoughts about this. Okay, so it's been several days. I went ahead and put just a regular pillowcase that matched my other ones. And I tried to count to see how long my regular pillow stays cool versus this one. So my regular pillow, it stayed cool for about 10 seconds or so after laying down on it, and then it kind of warmed up to my body temperature. This one I actually lost track counting because I fell asleep. I'm not joking. I love cool pillows. I could sleep so easily with them. So this definitely does stay cooler a lot longer than a standard pillow, and it is memory foam, and I guess it's about the standard thickness of a memory foam pillow. So yeah, I definitely do like this. It does stay cool for a very long time. So this is awesome. If you guys would like to order one, I will leave a link below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.